Welcome back to Audrey's Travel Diaries. Today we're going to talk about Santorini, Greece 8-hour itinerary cruise edition. Santorini is a beautiful place, but can get very crowded, especially with the limited time on a cruise trip. It can be very stressful. But don't worry, been there, done that. I will share with you some tips and tricks to make the most out of your experience. Here's a quick overview of the schedule. We docked in Santorini at 1:30, tendered and left the cruise ship at 2:30, arrived in Oia by speedboat at 4, left Oia and took the bus to Fira at 7, took the cable car from Fira to the port at 7:45, tendered back to the cruise ship at 8:15, and we arrived back to the cruise ship at 8:30 p.m. First things first, the cruise ship cannot dock in Santorini, therefore you have to tender to the island. So as soon as you get on the cruise ship, make sure to make a reservation for your tender. We were group 8, so we waited about an hour, but there were 22 total groups on our cruise ship, so the wait time could have been 3 to 4 hours. As soon as you tender to the island, you arrive in Fira. Instead of waiting an hour to take the cable car up to Fira and then walking an hour to Oia, take the speedboat straight to Oia where the main photo spots are. This only costs 30 euros and includes all transportations to Oia and back to Fira, whereas the cable car costs 10 euros one way and you would still have to walk to Oia. As soon as you arrive in Oia, a bus will take you a little bit outside the main square. When you get to the main square, you'll see the Church of Panagia, where you can already take a lot of wonderful pictures there. When you walk to the end of the main square, take a right, and you'll reach the picturesque Blue Dome Santorini picture spot. From there, you'll see two main photo spots. One of the photo spots will have a really long line, so be sure to get your cameras out because as soon as you get to the front, you'll have to be snapping a lot of photos in the limited time that you have. It seems solid colors work well with the scenery. White, blue, pink, and yellow are some good choices. As you walk along the streets, you'll reach your next photo spot, the Resurrection of the Lord Holy Orthodox Church. Here, once again, there are a lot of beautiful photo spots. Afterwards, spend some time wandering the streets, enjoying the little shops, scenery, and everything Santorini has to offer. After your Oria adventure, make sure to take the bus back to Fira, where you'll be able to take the cable car back down to where the tender is. There is an option to walk down the stairs or take a donkey. I personally don't recommend either. As you can see here, we encountered a lot of donkeys while we were waiting for the cable cars. The line for the cable cars looked long, but actually moves very fast. We only waited about 30 minutes and were able to catch some sunset views. I hope you all enjoyed this video and can take away some tips and tricks for your Santorini trip. This was such a wonderful and memorable experience. If I ever had the opportunity to go back, I would definitely stay a few days. Have you ever been to Santorini? If you have, Comment down below your tips and tricks. Please remember to like and subscribe. Stay tuned with more to come, including Mykonos, Rome, Florence, Milan, and more. Happy travels! Bye for now.